name is Miko. Today we'll be learning how to use Arduino to control sprite. Go to event and drag the when green flag is clicked, and go to extension and add the video sensing extension, and drag the turn video on button, and go to control and drag the forever button. Go to look and drag the say hello, and go to video sensing and drag the video motion and sprite. And drag the say video sensing and delete it, and go to control and drag if then, and go to operator and drag the more than, and go to video sensing and drag the video motion and sprite, and go to sound and drag the play sound until done, and go and add a new sprite. You can pick anything you want, and drag the command and put it onto the new sprite, and change the value 50 to 20, and change the play sound to pop until done. Go to event and drag the when green flag is clicked, and go to control and drag the forever, and drag if then, and go to sensing and drag the touching mouse pointer, and go to sound and drag the play sound meow until done, and go to add the new sprite. Pick anything you want, and copy it to the new sprite you added, and change the play sound to pop. Okay, go and add the new sprite. Pick any animal you want, and go to event and drag the when green flag is clicked, and go to control and drag the forever command, and drag if then else to. Go to operator and drag the more than command, and go to extension and add the video sensing, and drag the turn video on command and put it under it, and drag video motion and sprite into if then, and go to extension and add upload mode, and drag send upload mode message, and send upload message at else to, and change it to red on, and this one change it to red off, and copy it to the other sprite. Go to the end sprite and change it to green on, and change it to green off, and change the value to 40. Go to the next one and change it to blue on, and change it to blue off, and change it to 30. And next we will add a new device, which is Arduino. Go to extension and add upload mode broadcast, and drag the when receiving upload mode message, and drag a set digital pin 9, and change the pin to 5, and duplicate another 2, and change the set digital pin to 6, and the other one is 7. Change the digital pin to red on, and digital pin 6 to green on, and digital pin 7 as blue on, and and copy another one and set the digital pin slow, and go to connect and connect it to your Arduino. Change the red on to red off and green on to green off, and change the blue on to blue off, and upload the code to the Arduino. Go to Sprite and remove all the video sensing. And go to extension and delete the video sensing. Go to sensing and drag the touching mouse pointer and put it between if then. And upload the code to the Arduino.
That's all from us. Thank you.